Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the memory of the Claude AI app on your smartphone. If you've been using Claude for a while, it may remember information from your previous conversations and use that information when responding to you. So, if you want to start fresh and clear the memories Claude has saved, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, open the Claude AI app on your smartphone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner and tap on the three lines to open the menu. From here, you'll see your account options. Now look for the Settings option next to your account profile and tap on it. Once you're inside Settings, you'll see several different options related to your Claude account. What we need to find is the Capabilities section, so tap on Capabilities. Inside Capabilities, you'll find different features that you can control. Look for the Memory option and tap on it. If memory is currently turned off, you'll need to turn it on first. Once memory is enabled, you'll see an option related to memories from past chats. This is where Claude can use information from your previous conversations to personalize future responses. Now, if you want to completely reset the memory Claude has saved, simply turn off the memory option. Once you do that, you should see an option to reset memory. Tap on Reset Memory, and Claude will show you a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to reset your saved memories. Go ahead and tap on Reset Memory again to confirm. And that's it. Your Claude AI memory has now been reset. After resetting the memory, Claude will no longer use the previously saved memories from your past chats to personalize future responses. Keep in mind that resetting memory is different from deleting your conversation history, so your previous chats may still remain in your account unless you delete them separately. So, if you want to give Claude a fresh start and remove the memories it has saved about your previous conversations, this is the option you need to use. I hope this quick tutorial helped you. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful AI and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.